What is up everyone, Jay Flores here, and for today's episode, we're gonna review some of the best fast food fried chickens in the Philippines. So yeah, for today, we're gonna review 4 fast food fried chickens, which is Jollibee of course, McDonald's, Uncle John's by Ministop, and 7-Eleven Crunch Time. Disclaimer, this is based on my own opinion kasi my opinion matters, char. And di ko na sinali yung KFC. I think you guys are wondering ba't walang KFC kasi it is my favorite and then it's gonna be biased pag isasali ko pa. And another important disclaimer, etong 7-Eleven, kasi nag-shoot ako kanina, tapos ang lakas ng ulan, tapos my audio's gonna suck. So I started, tapos yun, nakunan na yung 7-Eleven. Pero yeah, we're just gonna pretend nothing happened kanina. Let's do this game. Before we start, we're gonna judge them by criterias. Char, may per criterias pa. We're gonna judge them by aroma, yung amoy, skin, yung balat, the taste, of course, yung lasa, and busog-lusog factor. Parang English-Tagalog version lang, kumbaga. Tapos comment down below kung ano yung paborito nyong fried chicken within these 4. And I will pick a random winner. So watch till the end kung anong price nyo. May pa-raffle na si Chef John, So yeah, let's start with 7-Eleven fried chicken kasi ito nakunan ko na kanina. I'm so sorry. Yung panahon hindi lang nagko-cooperate sa akin. 7-Eleven I bought or is priced around 72, 75. I'm not really sure. Here. Parang walang nangyari pero meron na yung ano. So we're gonna disregard the sauces kasi we're gonna judge the chicken alone. Kasi if may gravy or may sauce, wala. Unfair. This is what it looks like. Na-try ko na to kanina. I'm so sorry. But yeah, we're gonna start off with the aroma. The aroma is, or yung amoy, is basically mantika. Yeah, sadly. Kasi yun, importante sana yung amoy. Kasi you'll taste what you put. Or aamuyin mo muna kung anong ilalagay mo sa bunganga mo, di ba? You have to smell it first before putting it inside your mouth. So for aroma, at the middle lang. Let's give this 3. For the skin, I already tried this kanina. This one's crispier kanina. So I'm gonna try it again for you guys. It is still crispy. A little flour. I could taste that. Pero at the same time, you can see na hindi siya masyadong floury, if I may say. Like, skin and flour layer is equal. Hindi kagaya ng iba na majority of it is flour. And there's a little spice, just a little. So I'll give this, for the skin, 4. Let's proceed to the taste. My favorite part of the chicken is the breast. So all of these are breasts para equal naman. It reminds me something familiar. Alam ko na, MSG. Yeah, MSG. That's all I taste, sadly. But it's not bad. I've had this before, I guess once, and I don't remember when was that, so which is a bad thing. Pero yeah, it is good in a way na hindi masyadong maalat, you don't need rice. But there's a perfect balance din naman of the saltiness and somewhat sweetness. So taste, I would say, also a 4. Busog-busog factor, I would pay, let's say this is like around 75 pesos, and it is big, and you have rice and sauces. Sulit na sulit. I'm just gonna compare it later with the others. Pero as of now, it is totally worth it for 75. I would give this a solid 5. So that gives 7-Eleven Crunch Time a total score of 5 plus 9, 8 plus 8, 16. Next off, Uncle John's Fried Chicken from Ministop. So I'm sure all of you guys are wondering, sino ba talaga si Uncle John? Bakit Uncle John? And then their mini stop and whatnot. So yeah, today I have great news for you guys. Uncle John is, I don't know, di ko rin alam. So if someone knows his address or his contact number, so I could ask him kung bakit Uncle John, paki-comment nga sa baba. Let's open this up. And here, supposedly they're gonna offer you gravy or Mang Tomas, but I love Mang Tomas spicy. Siga Mang Tomas, baka naman. First category of criteria is aroma. This one smells definitely better than 7-Eleven. Kasi yun, mantika, and then this one is more on a garlicky smell, if I may say. Let me compare it. Yeah, it is similar. So I'll give this a solid 5. Okay, sa skin, it is similar with 7-Eleven, but it depends on the taste. I just had to eat rice. This is the type of chicken na yung hindi mo kayang kainin pag walang rice. Hindi siya maalat, pero it is so strong. Sa skin muna ha, sa skin, it is super tapang. Oh my God, konyo. So yeah, yun, garlicky and super tapang. I would say 4, because I'm not a big fan of super tapang chicken. So let's taste the meat or yung laman. I don't know, ang Tagalog ng unod. For the record ha, I've ordered this kanina and it is still juicy. Sa breast part, that's kind of rare. It still shines. Ooh, there's a lot of juice in there. So I think it makes sense na you're gonna eat the skin plus the meat because the meat is somewhat bland. Medyo hindi siya ganun katapang when you eat it with the laman, itong unod. So yeah, for the taste, this is quite good. I would say a solid 5. Please bear with the dogs, they're noisy. I have 3 dogs, Wiggle, Bogart, and Berlin. So next criteria sa mini stop is lusog-lusog factor. Yes, it is big, it's packed with meat. Sulit, you have the Mang Tomas. Mang Tomas again, baka naman. So yeah, I would say this is a big 5. And for Uncle John's mini stop, you have a total of 19 over 20. Not bad, man. 19 mini stop, here we go. So next, one of the most popular here in the Philippines and all over the world, I guess, it's McDonald's here. Ta-da! Saan yung gravy? Wala. Baka nakalimutan. So, let's go back. Aroma. It has that McDo aroma na pagpapasok ka sa McDonald's, yun talaga yung maaamoy mo. It's not the french fries, it's the chicken. So yeah, I think it's more of a peppery smell, I guess. So I like peppery stuff. Not spicy, peppery. So I'll give this a solid 4. Solid. For the skin, let's see. For the skin, it is too small and it is coated with a lot of flour. But let me taste. It's not that crunchy anymore. Tapos yun, harina lang. I was expecting a lot because I thought my second favorite is McDonald's. So, yun, ewan ko ba't ganito. Kasi ngayon ko lang na-compare talaga tong 4 eh. So, I think it comes to a realization na today magkakaalaman na talaga. So yeah, the skin, I will give that a 3 because it is small, soggy, and tasteless. So let's try the meat part. Yes, it is still juicy. But sadly, it is kind of bland. Kasi yun nga, breast to lahat. So magkakaalaman talaga yung lasa if you're gonna order breast. Yun, juicy pa rin siya, pero I'll try it with the skin on. Let me So lang. I would give this a 3. Since then, gustong-gusto ko tong McDonald's, and then I think this is the first time na chicken lang, walang gravy. Because I think their gravy is one of the best, next from KFC. Swak ba sa budget or busog-lusog factor? I would say so-so. I mean, they're more expensive than those two. So I would just say 4. Oh man, this one's the lowest so far. You have 8 plus 6. How much, guys? 14. Sabi ko nga 14. McDonald's, I was not that happy. The last but definitely not the least, all-time favorite of majority of the Filipinos. Wow, ang dami oh. I'll just choose a part. Unfair naman kung, diba, eto lahat yung ikakainin natin. So, I'll choose a best part, which is, let me try this one. Jollibee. No, I'm just kidding. There's just one piece here. So, aroma. Nothing beats Jollibee aroma. When you say fried chicken in the Philippines, all that comes in mind is Jollibee. They have this signature smell. I can't explain it. Di ko alam ano yan. But yeah, aroma Jollibee, I'll give that a solid 5. Skin. Oh. Oh, that's a lot of skin. The skin is quite good. Not too strong, not too bland. Just in the perfect balance lang. And then, I've noticed na hindi siya maganong floury. Oh, ganun kanipis lang. So, it's just really skin. And then, I don't know what does Jollibee do na kahit bibilin mo to lunchtime, kakainin mo dinner, crispy pa rin yung skin. Nothing beats that. Huh? Jollibee, man. Wow. Skin, I'll give you a 5. Another 5. Next is the taste. Now, I think I know what I'm gonna say here. Just wait. Okay, so Jollibee taste is Jollibee. I cannot say or I cannot describe any other word for Jollibee chicken. It is good. It is great. It is finger licking good. No, that's KFC. Jollibee, love ko to. No, that's McDonald's. Bida ang sarap. There. Jollibee, bida ang sarap. Yun, the skin can hold for the longest time na hindi siya magzozogi. Crispy pa rin siya. But the meat, medyo dry na siya, as you can see. And then the taste is not that amazing. Or yeah, I know I'm Filipino. 90% of you guys who are watching are Filipino. Jollibee is the staple fried chicken here in the Philippines. But I'm not really a big fan. I have nothing against Jollibee, but the taste is just right in the middle. So I'll give this a 3. Busog-lusog factor, I think Jollibee is the most expensive one in these 4. And it is not quite big compared to Ministop and 7-Eleven. I would give this a 3. So, Jollibee had a total of 16. Wow, I did not expect that from Jollibee. So guys, I'll just clean this up. So, tapos na yung review natin. Tapos na yung review natin and I found out while doing this, I was expecting McDonald's or Jollibee to shine out. Especially McDonald's. It is my go-to fried chicken. Kung walang KFC, McDonald's nila ako pumupunta. And then sadly, it's just their gravy. Or yung gravy lang ng mga fast food yung nagpapaangat ng lasa ng manok nila. So our winner for today is without gravy, without any sauce, is Ministop's Uncle John's. If some of you guys haven't tried all these chickens yet, which is I think impossible. So I hope may konting kaalaman kayo natutunan today, Char, when it comes to fried chicken. And if you'd like this video, if you want me to do some more of these videos, please let me know in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want. And lastly, munti ko na makalimutan, sinabi ko at the beginning of this video to comment down below your favorite fried chicken among these 4. And I will randomly choose a winner if may sasali. And you will win any of these 4. Just pick one. Just pick one. I'll pick the winner. You have to pick one and then I'm gonna send the exact amount of money for you to buy one of these fried chickens. You were expecting a lot more. Wala pa tayong budget, guys. Sorry. So until next time, God bless. Peace.